How to update CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update CapCut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to update CapCut, it is actually quite simple to do so. Go ahead and then launch your Play Store, and in the search box just go ahead and then type in CapCut over here. If you're on iOS, repeat the same steps, open up the App Store. Now let me just install this one for example. Now if you have not installed it before and then you just happen to install it, it will already get updated to the latest version by default, which means that now you don't have to do anything. But let's say you had already installed it. If you come to the Play Store, you should be able to find the update option. So if it says update, it means that CapCut application requires an update. If it says open, it means that the app is already updated to the latest version. So that's just some of the things that you need to figure out. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.